Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Asu on mobile. First, you'll need to download the official Asu client from your device's app store. Make sure you have at least 200 megabytes of free storage available for the application and initial song downloads. A stable internet connection is crucial for a smooth setup process. Once installed, you can adjust your screen brightness for the best visual experience. Now, let's get some songs. You can easily browse and download beat maps directly within the Asu mobile application. Use the search function to find your favorite tracks by artist or song title. It's a good idea to start with easier difficulty levels, perhaps 1 or 2 stars, to get comfortable with the gameplay. You can also look for beatmap packs to quickly add a collection of songs. Playing Asu on mobile involves 3 main elements. First, tap the hit circles precisely when the outer approach circle aligns with the inner circle. Second, for sliders, follow the path smoothly with your finger, ensuring you stay within the track. Finally, when a spinner appears, rotate your finger rapidly around the center to fill the gauge and earn bonus points. Focus on maintaining your rhythm and accuracy to achieve impressive scores. To truly master Asu on mobile, consistent practice is key. Begin with beat maps rated 1 or 2 stars and slowly challenge yourself with higher difficulties as your skills improve. Don't be afraid to experiment with different finger positions to find what feels most comfortable and responsive for you. Watching replays of your gameplay can also be incredibly helpful, allowing you to pinpoint areas for improvement and refine your technique.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.